All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Dlux Motorsports. Today I got the pleasure of bringing you this gorgeous 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 crew cab. If you guys wait to the end of this video, I got a couple extra special surprises for you as well. If you guys haven't subscribed, in the bottom right corner of this video, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click on that bell notification with YouTube. Allow you guys to let you guys know when we go live and when we post new videos. Again, 14 Chevy Silverado 1500 crew cab. It's 6 inches of lift. It's got brand new 20 by 12 gear alloy wheels, 35-inch tires with plenty of tread. Frame is still in very good shape, has light surface discoloration, very consistent with a Virginia truck. No extensive rust anywhere. The frame is exactly the way it should be on a 14. Body's in very good shape. You got aftermarket Bushwhacker Fender Flares. The rivets are not bolted to the truck. These bolt from the inside. Those rivets are just for looks, so they can be removed if you guys don't like them. Obviously a four-wheel drive truck, 5.3 V8. It's an LT loaded with leather, heated seats, full power options top to bottom. I'll give you another shot of the undercarriage of the truck. As you can see, frame, axle, no extensive rust anywhere. The exhaust, you could put tips on it if you want. I kind of liked it the way it was, where it's just kind of hidden up underneath the truck. Mechanically, very nice. We just did, this truck just got 4 brand new ball joints, brakes, I believe, as well. So just fully serviced top to bottom. Mechanically, this thing runs just like it should. It's got aftermarket amp step rails, electric step boards. You open the door, they come down, makes it easy for you guys to get in and out. It does have a low profile black toolbox. I'm currently leaving it in the truck. Depending on how long before it sells, I may end up selling that by itself. Like I said, amp step rails. We got one more step to go after this video. We're gonna run it through detail, get everything fully detailed out. Like I said, the truck already, for the most part right now, it's in very good shape top to bottom. No major damage on the body of the truck on the exterior. The exterior looks really good. It's a little bit of a rainy day today, but I wanted to get this new video out to you guys so you guys can see the truck in person. We're gonna shine up the headlights, clear those up a bit with some wet sanded compound. And then I'll give you guys a shot of the interior. It also does have tow mirrors, as you guys can see. So again, full power options, power seat, minimal wear on the driver's seat. Nothing major whatsoever. The interior is in very, very good shape for a 14 still. Back seats look still almost like new. Carpets are still in very good shape. It currently does not have floor mats. I may order a set of WeatherTechs for the truck.